Hola, hola, amigos, and welcome to Spanish Made Simple. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emilia. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important things, how to talk about yourself in Spanish.
That's right. We'll start easy with greetings and introductions. We'll go slowly, repeat after us, and make it fun.
Perfect. So, Daniel, how do we say hello in Spanish?
Easy. We say hola. Repeat after us. Hola.
Hola. So simple, right?
Exactly. Now, if you want to say good morning, you say buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Good job. If it's afternoon, you say buenas tardes. Try it. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. And at night?
At night, you say buenas noches. It means good night or good evening.
So, buenos dias, buenas tardes, and buenas noches.
Perfect, Emilia. Now let's greet the listener together. Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
Hola, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás?
If you're talking to one person, you say ¿Cómo estás? If it's formal, you can say ¿Cómo está usted?
¿Cómo estás for friends? And ¿Cómo está usted for formal?
That's it. Now, one more time. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Nice work. We're just getting started. Next, we'll learn how to say your name. Okay, amigos. Now that we can say hello, let's talk about our names. In Spanish, we say me llamo. It means my name is.
So, me llamo Emilia. That's like saying, my name is Emilia.
Exactly. And I say me llamo Daniel. Let's say it together. Me llamo and then your name.
Me llamo Emilia. Your turn. Say, me llamo, and add your name.
Nice. You can also say soy. That means I am. For example, soy Daniel.
Soy Emilia. So both me llamo and soy work, right?
Yes. Me llamo means my name is, and soy means I am. Both are used when introducing yourself.
Can we hear both together?
Sure. Hola, me llamo Daniel. Or, hola, soy Daniel.
Hola, me llamo Emilia. Hola, soy Emilia.
Perfect. Now, let's help our listeners repeat. Everyone listening, repeat after Emilia.
Hola, me llamo. Your name?
Good. Now try the second one.
Hola, soy. Your name?
Excellent job. Now you can introduce yourself. In the next part, we'll learn how to ask someone their name. Okay, amigos, now that we can say hello, let's talk about our names. In Spanish, we say me llamo. It means my name is.
So, me llamo Emilia. That's like saying, my name is Emilia.
Exactly. And I say me llamo Daniel. Let's say it together. Me llamo and then your name.
Me llamo Emilia. Your turn. Say, me llamo, and add your name.
Nice. You can also say soy. That means I am. For example, soy Daniel.
Soy Emilia. So both me llamo and soy work, right?
Yes. Me llamo means my name is, and soy means I am. Both are used when introducing yourself.
Can we hear both together?
Sure. Hola, me llamo Daniel. Or, hola, soy Daniel.
Hola, me llamo Emilia. Hola, soy Emilia.
Perfect. Now let's help our listeners repeat. Everyone listening, repeat after Emilia.
Hola, me llamo. Your name?
Good. Now try the second one.
Hola, soy. Your name?
Excellent job. Now you can introduce yourself. In the next part, we'll learn how to ask someone their name. Now that you can say, my name is, let's learn how to ask someone their name. In Spanish, we say, ¿Cómo te llamas? It means, what's your name?
Say it slowly with me. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Great. And when someone asks you, you answer with me llamo plus your name. Let's try a short conversation.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Daniel.
Mucho gusto. That means nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto. Simple, right?
Very. So, ¿cómo te llamas means what's your name? And me llamo means my name is.
Exactly. There's also a polite way to ask. You can say, ¿Cómo se llama usted? That's the formal version.
So, with friends, I say, ¿cómo te llamas? And with my teacher, I say, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Perfect, Emilia. Now, everyone listening, repeat after us. ¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo.
Me llamo.
Awesome work. Now you can ask and answer names in Spanish. Next, we'll talk about how to say where you're from. Okay, amigos. Now let's talk about where you're from. In Spanish, we say soy de. It means I am from.
So, if I'm from the United States, I say, soy de Estados Unidos.
Exactly. And if I'm from Mexico, I say soy de México.
Let's help everyone practice. Repeat after us. Soy de.
Soy de.
Now, say your country. For example, soy de Canadá or soy de Argentina.
Good. Now let's learn how to ask where someone is from. You say, ¿De dónde eres? It means, where are you from?
¿De dónde eres? That sounds nice.
Let's do a short example. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Estados Unidos.
Perfect. Now, for formal situations, you can say, ¿De dónde es usted? That's more polite.
Got it. So, ¿de dónde eres? For casual, and ¿de dónde es usted? For formal.
Exactly. Let's repeat together one more time. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de.
Perfect. Now you can say your name and where you're from. Next, we'll talk about how to say your age. All right, amigos, let's learn how to say your age in Spanish. This one's important because it's a little different from English.
Different? How?
Well, in English, you say, I am 25 years old. But in Spanish, we don't use I am. We use tengo, which means I have. So you say, tengo 25 años.
Oh, so literally it's like saying I have 25 years.
Exactly. Let's break it down. Tengo means I have. Años means years.
Okay, let me try. Tengo 30 años. I have 30 years.
Perfect pronunciation. Now, to ask someone their age, you say, ¿Cuántos años tienes? That means, how old are you?
¿Cuántos años tienes? I like that. And the answer is tengo plus your number and años.
Exactly. Let's do a mini conversation. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 28 años.
Nice. Now, everyone listening, repeat after Emilia. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Then answer, tengo, and your age.
Tengo and your number of years.
Perfect. Now you can say your age in Spanish. Next, we'll talk about what you do, your job or occupation. Okay, amigos, now let's learn how to talk about what you do, your job, your work, or even what you study.
Nice. How do we say that in Spanish?
We use soy again. Remember, it means I am. So if I'm a teacher, I say soy maestro. If you're a doctor, soy doctora.
Ah, so soy works for names and jobs, like soy Emilia or soy estudiante.
Exactly. Let's try a few more examples. Soy ingeniero. I'm an engineer. Soy cocinera. I'm a cook. Soy enfermero. I'm a nurse.
Okay, let me try. Soy diseñadora. I'm a designer.
Perfect pronunciation. Now, if you're a student, you can say soy estudiante.
Soy estudiante.
Good. Now, if you want to ask someone what they do, you can say, ¿A qué te dedicas? It means, what do you do? Or what's your job?
¿A qué te dedicas? That's a little tricky, but it sounds nice.
Yeah, it's one of those phrases you'll hear a lot in real conversations. Let's do a quick example. ¿A qué te dedicas?
Soy estudiante.
Ah, qué bien. Oh, that's nice.
So friendly.
All right, let's repeat one last time. ¿A qué te dedicas?
Soy and your job or what you study.
Perfect. Now you can say your name, where you're from, your age, and what you do. Next, we'll talk about something fun. How to say what you like.
Okay, amigos, now let's talk about what you like. In Spanish, we use the verb gustar. It means to like.
Ah, I've heard that word before. Me gusta.
Exactly. Me gusta means I like. For example, me gusta el café. I like coffee.
Me gusta el café. That's easy. So if I want to say I like music, I say me gusta la música.
Perfect. Let's practice a few more. Me gusta el chocolate. I like chocolate. Me gusta bailar. I like to dance. Me gusta viajar. I like to travel.
I love those. Okay, let me try one. Me gusta aprender español. I like learning Spanish.
That's a great one. Now, if you want to say you like more than one thing, you change it a little. You say me gustan with an N at the end. For example, me gustan los perros. I like dogs.
Ah, plural. Me gustan los tacos. I like tacos.
Perfect. Now, to ask someone what they like, you say, ¿Qué te gusta? What do you like?
¿Qué te gusta? That's a fun one.
Let's try it in a quick conversation. ¿Qué te gusta?
Me gusta, and then what you like.
Perfect. Now you can say what you enjoy. Next, we'll combine everything into a short practice conversation.
Okay, amigos, let's practice everything we've learned so far. We'll do a full conversation in Spanish, nice and slow.
Perfect. And everyone listening, you can repeat with us.
I'll start. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Emilia. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Daniel. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Now, we'll add where we're from. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Estados Unidos. ¿Y tú?
Soy de México.
Perfect. Now let's add age. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 30 años. ¿Y tú?
Tengo 28 años.
Very good. Now let's add what we do. ¿A qué te dedicas?
Soy estudiante. ¿Y tú?
Soy maestro.
Nice. Now let's add what we like. ¿Qué te gusta?
Me gusta el café y la música.
Me gusta bailar y viajar.
Beautiful Spanish. Now, everyone listening, repeat the same lines with us. You can pause, practice, and rewind anytime.
That's right. This is your turn to speak Spanish out loud.
Great job. Next, we'll do a quick review and share a few tips to sound more natural when speaking. All right, amigos, great job so far. Now, let's do a quick review of everything we've learned today.
Okay, we started with greetings. How do we say hello?
We say, Hola. Good morning. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good night. Buenas noches.
Perfect. Then we learned how to say your name. Me llama, my name is, or soy, I am.
Right. Then, how to ask for someone's name. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? And to answer, me llamo, my name is.
Next, we learned to say where we're from. Soy de, I'm from. And to ask, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from?
Exactly. Then, for age, tengo plus your number and años. For example, tengo 30 años.
And to ask someone else, ¿cuántos años tienes? How old are you?
Perfect. Then we talked about jobs. Soy maestro, soy estudiante. And to ask, ¿a qué te dedicas? What do you do?
And finally, we learned how to talk about what we like. Me gusta, I like. Me gustan, I like, for plural things. And to ask,
¿Qué te gusta? What do you like?
Excellent recap. Now, here are some quick tips to sound more natural when speaking Spanish. First, smile when you speak. It helps your pronunciation sound more open.
Second, listen carefully and repeat often. Repetition is the key to fluency.
And third, don't worry about mistakes. Even native speakers make them.
Yes, the goal is progress, not perfection.
Exactly. Now, in our last part, we'll do a full mini conversation review together, your final practice for today's lesson. Great, amigos. We've reached the last part of today's lesson.
Let's review our full introduction in Spanish, nice and slow.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Emilia. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Daniel. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Estados Unidos. ¿Y tú?
Soy de México.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 30 años. ¿Y tú?
Tengo 28 años.
¿A qué te dedicas?
Soy estudiante. ¿Y tú?
Soy maestro.
¿Qué te gusta?
Me gusta el café y la música.
Me gusta bailar y viajar.
Perfecto. That's a full introduction in Spanish. You just had your first real conversation.
You should be proud. That's amazing progress for one lesson.
Absolutely. Keep practicing these phrases every day, and soon you'll be speaking Spanish with confidence.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Spanish Made Simple.
We post new episodes every week so you can keep learning Spanish the easy way.
Gracias, amigos. Thank you for learning with us.
Nos vemos en la próxima lección. See you in the next lesson.